everyone, and welcome back to Sprinkle with Paper. Today I'm going to be sharing how to upload and save your favorite fonts in Cricut Design Space. When working with fonts, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on text. Once you've clicked on text, just type in your desired wording. I'm going to type in Sprinkled with Paper. And then we're going to go up to the box at the top and we're going to click on Fonts. Once the font box opens, you're going to see several options. So the first one is going to be Cricut, and that's the one that's highlighted in the green right here. And what you're going to see under this option are all of the Cricut fonts, and these are all the fonts that are available to you if you have the paid subscription. So it's the Cricut Access program, which is $10 a month, and all of these fonts will be available for you to use. And a great feature that Cricut recently added is you can now download the fonts. So not to be confused with downloading the fonts onto your computer, but they'll download them onto Cricut Design Space. So if you ever need to use Cricut Design Space and you're offline where you don't have internet access, the font will be available to you so you can work on projects. So another feature that you have available to you is the bookmark feature. So this is another new feature here on Cricut Design Space, and it's great because if you have a favorite font that you like to use over and over again, you can just click on this little bookmark icon and then it's going to be saved into your bookmarks. So the next section we have under fonts is System. And System is where you're going to find all of your fonts that are saved onto your computer or your tablet. So I have a ton of fonts that are saved onto my computer and saved under Systems, but I haven't gone through and updated any of them with the bookmark feature yet. I just haven't taken the time to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it right now, and I'm just going to show you some of my favorite fonts I've been using recently. So now that I bookmarked some of my favorite fonts, when I go over and click on Bookmarks up here at the top, you'll see that all of those fonts have been conveniently saved. So I love this feature because it's going to be a huge time saver when I'm working on a project and I can just go over to the Bookmarks section and click on one of the fonts that I know that I love and have already been tested. Now I just quickly want to show you where I find some of my favorite free fonts. So if you go over to dafont.com, you'll see that there are so many different categories for different styles of fonts. So I use them from all of these categories, but the one I go to the most is the calligraphy. So there are hundreds, if not thousands, of free calligraphy fonts, and all of these are made for personal use, but if you'd like to use them if you're going to be selling items, say in your Etsy shop, then you can just purchase the commercial license. So the font I'll be selecting today is Lovecraft. I think that this font is so beautiful. It might be too thin if I'm working with a cake topper, but it will be perfect if I'm using it for iron-on or vinyl. So to save it onto my computer, I'm just going to click on Download on the right-hand side. And now it's going to be saved onto my computer. And then if I double-click the folder, I'm just going to select the font. And then I'm going to install font. If you already have Cricut Design Space open on your computer, you might need to close it down and restart it, only to make sure that the font properly uploaded into Cricut Design Space. Now, once you've opened or restarted your program and you are in the Fonts box, if you go over to Systems, you can just type in Love or whichever font you recently downloaded, and you will be able to find it there under Systems. And if you think that the font is going to be one of your new favorites, go ahead and just bookmark it. And now when you're ready to start your next project, you can easily find your new font. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you organize all of your fonts here on Cricut Design Space. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.